Hi, viewers and students. This is the solution of worksheet 2 related to the topic series, which is chapter number 6 of pure mathematics. So here the question number 1 is complete the given statement with true and false, and then we will have few questions related to MCQs. After that we will solve few questions short and long. So common ratio, we uh, we use this concept in geometric progressions, and when the common ratio is same, so we can find the nth term of geometric progression as well as, but this is the one part of geometric progression which is common ratio. It is second term of first term, so it's correct. True. A series that converges is also known as convergent series. This is also correct. True. The second term of geometric progression, when the first term is a and the common ratio is r, that is ar, not ar square. So this is false. Next, the fourth term of arithmetic progression is when the first term is a and the common difference is d. So usually a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So a4 is a plus 4 minus 1 3d. So this is correct. When the term is a sequence are added together, the resulting sum is called series. This is also true or correct. I hope so it is clear. Next, we have key points. These key points are related to this chapter series, and here we have different sort of formulas which relates to arithmetic progression, geometric progression, as well as common difference, common ratio, sum of arithmetic progression, how to find NR value, how to expand n factorial, and how to use binomial theorem. And then we have geometric progression in some way when the value of r is between -1 and 1. And what is the sum of geometric progression when the value of r is either greater than 1 or less than or equal to -1. And lastly, sum of infinity geometric series, which is S infinity equal a over 1 minus r. So these are formulas will help us to sort out the problems. Here, these are the MCQs questions. So correct the answer or choose the correct answer. So a geometric progression has a common ratio of -2/3. So it means R is -2/3, and the sum of first three terms means S3 equal 63. So remember in geometric sequence, we have the formula as n is equal. Here the value of r is between -1 and +1. So we will use a bracket open 1 minus r power n over 1 minus r. This formula will help us. So as we are looking S3 equal a is the first value, and anyway we are looking the first term of the progression, which is same. So 1 minus r is -2/3 whole power 3 as well, over 1 minus into -2/3. So this is 63. A bracket open 1 minus minus plus because of this cube. So we have 8/27 over 1 plus 2/3, and then 63 is equal to a multiply 21 multiplied by 1, so 27 multiplied by 1, 27 plus 8, 35 over 27, and here we have 5/3. So we can simplify more further. We have 35/27 multiply 3/5, so 3 nines are, and 5 multiplied by 7. So lastly we have a equals 63. This is multiply 9/7. So 7 can cancel 63 by multiplying 9. And 9 multiplied by 9 gives us 81. So our first answer is correct. I hope so it is clear. Next one. Identify the following sequence is geometric, arithmetic. It cannot be arithmetic because the common difference is not same. We can think about geometric as well. So if you divide second term by first, we will get 3, same as 63 divided by 21, 3, as well as if we check the last one, 189 divided by 63 gives us again 3. So it's a geometric progression or sequence. Next, find the sum of first six term of geometric series. So remember A is 3. Again, the formula is what? And look, the R value. A is 3 and R is 6 divided by 3, which is equal to. So now R is greater than 1. It means S6 will work A bracket open R power n minus 1 over R minus 1. So as we are looking at 6, A is the first value, which is 3. R we have 2 power 6 minus 1 over R is 2 minus 1. So which gives us 2 power 2 power 6 equals 64 minus 1, 63 multiplied by 3. That gives us 189 over 1, so 189. So it means this answer is correct. Next, the sum of first n terms Sn of a particular arithmetic progression is given as, so the nth term is mentioned there. Find the first term, so S1. So simply we will replace S1 here. So 4 into 1 square plus 1, which is equal 4 plus 1 equal 5. So C part is the correct. I hope so it is clear. Now we move on next short and long questions. So first question is the first term of an arithmetic progression is 15. So remember this is A is equal to 15 and the first 20 terms is means as 20 is equal 1630. So these are the informations we know that A equal 15 as 20 is equal to 1630, and the common difference we don't know D equal what. So the rule is as n for sum of arithmetic progression is n over 2 bracket open 2a plus n minus 1d. This the formula will help us. So as we are looking as 20, so as 20 is equal to n is 20, 20 over 2, a the first value which we know it is 15 plus 20 minus 1 d we don't know. And next s20 is 1630, 10 bracket open 30 plus 19d. And next step, we can divide another side. So it gives us 163 equal 30 plus 19d. And then 19d is equal 163 minus 30. So 19d is equal to 133. And then d equal 133 over 19, which is equal 7. So we find out the common difference, and that common difference is 7. I hope so it is clear. Next, question number 4. In an arithmetic progression, the first term is minus 27, and the 16th term is, this is first term, okay? And A16 is 78, and the last term is, which we can say that AN 169. So find the common difference and the number of terms. So as we know, A equal minus 27, and remember that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, and if I say a16, which is equal, a we know it fine, which is negative 27 plus n is 16, so 16 minus 1 15 d, We don't know D as well, but we know A16 is 78, which is equal minus 27 plus 15D. So 78 plus 27 is equal to 15D. And next step, 15D is equal to 105, and D is equal to 105 divided by 15. So D is equal to 7. So we find out the common difference, and then we are looking number of terms. So that AN formula again will work for us. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. As we know the last term is 169 and the first term is minus 27. We don't know n minus 1 dd. Just now we find out which is 7. So here we have 169 plus 27 is equal to 7n minus 7. So 169 plus 27, it is equal 196. 7n minus 7. So 196 plus 7, which is equal 203 divided by 7. So n equal 29. So we find out two answers. One answer is the common difference, which is 7, and the number of terms are 29. So if the number of terms are 29, then find the sum of terms in this progression. So again, the Sn formula will work for us. Sn is equal to n over 2 2a plus n minus 1d. So we are looking S29. So 29 over 2 to A. A is negative 27 plus 29 minus 1, 28, and D is 7. So once we calculate all this, it is 29 divided by 2. That gives us 14.5 and negative 54 and 28 multiplied by 7 plus 196 and minus 54. So we have 14.5 into 142. So 14.5. So S29 is equal 2059 is the answer. I hope so it is clear. Student, next question 5. The third term of geometric progression is 9 times the first term. So 9 times the first term means, remember, this is third term of geometric progression. So if you write geometric progression, that is an is equal to ar power n minus 1. So a1 is a2 is ar, a3 is ar square. So third term of geometric progression means ar square is equal 9 times the first term, means 9 a, because the first term is a. Fine. So from here we can find r easily, cancel a and a from both sides. So r square is equal to 9. By taking square root on both sides, r we can get plus minus 3. And if we read the next part of this question, the sum of first six term is, means S6 is equal to k times the sum of first two terms, means S2. S6 equal k S2, and that S6 represent a r power 6 minus 1 over r minus 1, and k a r power 2 minus 1 over r minus 1. We can cancel r minus 1, r1 minus 1 from both sides, and as well as k. So we have r power 6 minus 1 is equal to k bracket open r square minus 1. And next step, equal r power 6 minus 1 over r square minus 1. So as this formula for k will help us to find out the value of k when r equal 3. So value of k is 3 power 6 minus 1 over 3 power 2 minus 1, which is equal 3 power 6 gives us 729 minus 1, which is equal 728 over 9 minus 1, 8. So divide by 8, which is equal 91. And if same formula, k is equal to r power 6 minus 1 over r square minus 1 when the value of r is minus 3. So value of k will be minus 3 whole power 6 minus 1 over minus 3 whole square minus 1, 728 over minus 3 square gives us 9, 9 minus 1, 8 again, so divide by 8. So both way we are getting value of k equal 91. So hence the value of k is 91. Either r is plus 3 or minus 3. I hope so it is clear. The first term of geometric progression is 270 and the fourth term is 80. Find the common ratio. So remember the first term A of geometric progression. So it is 270 and the fourth term. So fourth term represent AR cube equal 80. So replace the value of first in second. That means 270 r cube equal 80. So r cube equal 80 over 270, which is equal r cube equal 8 over 27. Or lastly, we can say that 2 over 3. Yes, boys, here in question number 7, the first term of geometric progression is 8, means a is equal to 8. And the second term, which is AR equals 6. So find the sum to infinity, S infinity equal what? And here, value of A is 8, R equals 6. So R equals 6 over 8. That means both are divisible by 2. So 3 over 4. And then S to infinity or sum to infinity is A over 1 minus R. So 8 over 1 minus 3 over 4, which is equal 8 over 4 ones are 4 minus 3, so 1 over 4. So it is 8 multiplied by 4, which is equal 32. I hope so it is clear. The sum to infinity is 32. Thank you for watching video.